Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, so how are you today, Amelia?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. Oh, I like your bangs.
I don't like my bag.
Why? Okay, Amelia, can you please louder your voice or a little bit um volume of your mic because I a
Like
little
this.
okay.
Ha 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 ha.
Yes, okay. That's enough. Okay. All right. Okay, so Amelia, this is today is Saturday. So what did you do now? I mean before our class.
I play at home. I eat my dinner. That's all. I study. That's
Oh.
all.
Okay, so how about did you go to park and play?
Nah,
Mm-hmm.
I don't go anywhere. I just stay at home.
Oh, okay. All right. So, how's the weather there, Amelia? Is it winter season now in Vietnam?
Sometimes it's winter, sometimes it's still summer.
Oh, okay. Because here in Philippines now, it's so cold. So, starting to
Winter.
winter season. All right. Okay, so Amelia, we are
Yeah.
done with the unit 5 and 6. So now we are here, or our topic for tonight, it's all about unit 7 and 8. All right, so Amelia, are you ready to learn with English
Yeah.
tonight? Okay,
Yes.
very good. So Amelia, before because we will gonna watch a video, so here is the big question that we will gonna or going to answer after watching the video. So can you read it, Amelia?
How do we measure time?
Okay, very good. So this is the big question. How do we measure time? All right, so now are you ready to watch a movie?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so let's watch a movie. Okay. Okay. So now we are done with this. So now let's get ready. So Amelia, listen and read the words, and let's listen again and say the words. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Page 68. Unit 7. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and read the words. Listen again and say the words.
Second, minute, hour, month, year, noon, spin, orbit, time zone, multiply.
All right. So Amelia, can you see the picture or on the screen now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So first, can you read?
Second. Second. Minute. Hour.
Very good.
Month.
Perfect.
Year. Noon. Spin. Orbit. Time zone. Multiply.
All right, very good. So Amelia, when we say second, what does it mean?
It is the second one. Um, second one of the first one.
So for example, do you know how to calculate the watch? I mean, do you know how to use the watch? Like to measure the time?
No?
Okay, so for
I have
example, 1 minute has a 60 seconds. Okay, so 1 minute has a 60 seconds. So when this, so this is the example of seconds, Amelia. So this one here.
1 hour.
Yes. The one that is tickling round faster. Okay, so this is
The
the,
second one is
how about the second one?
second
It's the minute.
of
Like
the
for,
minute.
yeah, yes. So in 1 hour, so in 1 hour,
1 hour have 60 minutes.
very good. Okay, you're so smart, Amelia. So in a 1 hour, so there is 60 minutes. All right. So the second one here. So this is how to look at the time or to read the time. Okay. How about the hour, Amelia? So,
1 hour 60 minutes.
okay. How about in one day, Amelia? How many hours in one day?
24 hour.
Very good. So, in one day, there is 24 hours because it is divided into 24 hours also divided in that two. So, it's in the morning and
Night.
yes, morning and night. Very good, Amelia. So now, Amelia, next is the
Month.
month. Okay, so next is the month. Okay, so what month are we now, Amelia?
What month?
What month?
November.
Okay. What month are we today? It is
November.
November. Okay, perfect. So, how many months in a year, Amelia? In 1 year, there is
1 year, 12 months.
okay, that's fantastic. Okay, so there is 12
One,
months in a year. Okay. And how
one,
many yes. And how many
1 month have 31 or 30 days, but in the second month, they have only 28 or 29 days.
okay, for the leap year, so we only have I'm sorry. Yeah, for the leap year there is a month that is only 28 or 29 days.
29.
All right, very good. So, and what day it is now, Amelia? It is
Day 23,
November 23 and what day?
Saturday.
Saturday. All right, very good. Now, Amelia, next to the month is a
Year.
year. Very good. So, Amelia, how many days in a year?
Is 365.
Very good. That's fabulous. Okay, so there are 365 in a 365 days in a year. Okay. And what year are we now?
2024.
Very good. So we are now in
2024.
very good.
2024.
Yeah, so we are now or 2024. So what next year, what will be our year?
2025.
Very good. Okay. So do you celebrate New Year, Amelia?
Yes,
Mhm.
I can get lucky money. Lucky money
Okay.
is here.
And what day? Okay. And what date is New Year there in your country?
The what day? The first day. The
It is
second day.
January. What month?
January.
January 1?
Once. Yep.
Okay. All right. So, Amelia, next is, can you read it? It's the
Noon.
very good. Okay, so when we say noon, so automatically it is
Noon.
what time is noon?
12 a.m.
Or 12 p.m. All right, very good. Or 12 noon. Okay. How about this word spin? So when we say spin, Amelia, what in your own idea, what this or what is the meaning of spin?
Turn around.
Okay, so spin meaning it's the earth turning to its axis. Okay.
It always been around the sun.
Yes, so
Orbit around
spin.
the sun.
So in one spin, that is 24 or 1 day or 24 hours. When the earth spin when it is axis or within its axis. Okay. So Amelia, how about orbit?
Orbit is it's always been around the sun.
Very good. That's awesome. Good job. So when we say orbit, Amelia, that is when the earth turn around on the sun or on the solar system. So basically, One orbit is 300.
300 day, 306, I don't know.
Yes, marvelous. Okay, so one orbit of the Earth, it's equivalent to 1 year or 365 days. Okay, wow, Amelia, you're so smart. Okay, what subject is this, Amelia? It is
Science.
science. Very good. So this is all about lesson science. So when you this is the advantage of when you listen to your teacher when the teacher is discussing. You will gonna absorb and understand the lesson. All right. I'm so proud of you, Amelia. You're really a intelligent kid. Okay, next, Amelia.
Time zone.
Time zone. Okay, very good. So when we say time zone, what does it mean?
It means that the Earth, each of the Earth, some country is and having a nighttime, some country is having a morning time.
Okay, that's great. Perfect. So when we say time zone, it's basically the time schedule or the different times schedule of each of the country. For example, in Philippines, it is already 8:17 p.m. here. Okay, how about in your country, Vietnam, Amelia? What time?
Let me check. 70s.
Yes, so
Uh,
that is time zone. We have,
7:70
okay, so that
p.m.
is time zone. Yes. We have a different time.
zone.
It is because of its location and the time zone. Okay, very good.
And the
So,
spinning orbit.
yes. But however, Amelia, there are countries that is the same time. Like for example, for Singapore, Philippines, and China. So, they have at the same time zone.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, Amelia.
Multiply.
Multiply. Okay, so
Multiply.
or multiplication. Okay, so when we say multiply, so we have here. So for example, 5, and then you will gonna multiply meaning times it by
Time
2.
zone.
Okay,
Oh.
so
5 times 2.
okay, so 5 times 2, Amelia, equals
10.
okay, very good. When we say multiplication, the first number here, you will gonna times it by 2. Okay, how about this one, Amelia? 0 times
Equal 0.
0 equals
Equal 0. Because if the number of it times 0, they all will be 0.
very good. Okay, so that's how to multiply. Okay, now Amelia, let's proceed to our first activity or the letter B. Okay, now Amelia, can you read the instruction? Wait, one moment. Sorry. I will going to zoom it. Okay, Amelia, can you read the instruction? How?
How much time to do these activities take? Write the times where talk about your choice with your partner.
Okay, so how much time do these activities take? So we have here and write the time words and talk about your choices with your teacher. Okay, so first, that options or the choices here, Amelia, is 60 seconds, so equivalent to 1 minute. 60 minutes is 1 hour, and 12 months is 1 year. Okay, so now, Amelia, you will gonna going to answer. So we have here the first the number one is already given an example, Amelia. So when we say good morning, so it takes only
3 seconds.
3 seconds. Very good. So now can you answer number 2 to number 6? Okay, you can write your answer on the blank. All right.
Oh my God. I hate do my homework. Where is the letter F? Five. Oh my
So
God.
do your homework, call a friend, learn to play the piano well, read a book, or brush your teeth. Okay, Amelia. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, all good. Okay, continue.
I called my friend. It was just 5 hours.
Yeah.
So I called her for 159 hours.
Take your time.
Take my time. Why do I need my pen? Oh my God. Why didn't they have day? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day,
Do you
4 day.
know
Yes.
how to play the piano?
Yes, but I just need 15 days, so I
Piano
can play
well.
piano. Yes. They don't have day. I just have day. I don't really like to read the book. My mom always tell me to read the book.
And after that, you will gonna explain to me why is that, or for the minutes or days you spend those activities.
I'm done.
You will gonna brush your teeth 15 hours?
I hate brushing, so I always
Really?
play first. I always play in the bathroom first. My mom think that I will just brush my teeth, so
Like
I play in the
15
bath.
hours?
Yes, I play in the bathroom for like 10 hours. Then I brush my teeth just for 5 hours.
Okay. Let's discuss it later. Okay. So so do your homework. You would take it for only
5 minutes. Sometimes
wow.
if if my teacher let my class really many homework, I just doing it in 1 hour, then I'm done.
But it depends upon the subject, right? For example, for the
Yes.
math subject. So it only take 5 minutes also?
Now math subject only 15 minutes, I'm done. English subject is 1 minute, I'm done.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So number 3, call a friend. So you write 15 minutes to take calling a friend.
Because my friend always, I need to wait for my friend.
Okay. So basically, you just want to talk to them or call them whenever you have an important problem or important to say. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. How about you write 15 days to learn to play the piano well? Why?
Because when I was young, it was my first time for the piano, so I did it really good. So I just need 15 days. I can learn. I have a tutor. It's her house near my house.
Mm-hmm. So 15 days, so 2 weeks and 1 day.
2 days.
Okay, so you were gonna learn the piano well within 2 weeks and 1 day. Okay, so do you go to a piano, like a piano classroom, or just in your house to play the piano?
Well, my house does have a piano when I play my piano like a little bit well, so
Mm-hmm.
I always go to the piano class for to play. If sometime my the tutor piano have something that busy at her house, they cannot teach me at her house. She will go to my house and teach.
Ah, okay. I understand that. Okay, when reading a book, it takes you 30 hours. How many books you can read? Only one?
My mom always tell me that read a book right now.
Okay, what book do you usually read?
Who I will show you now.
It's your it's your um s-
Later,
uh
later, later. I will show you. Because it's now about to be
so
7:30
30-hour, you will not eat straight?
now. I have to read. I have to read at 30 hours. When I'm done, my mom will let me go play with study.
Okay. All right. So, by the way, Amelia, we will gonna wrap up with our class because the first 30 minutes is already finished. So we will gonna
I
re-enter.
will show you my book, who I was to just to see.
Okay, so get your book and I will gonna see it. All right.
Bye bye.
Okay.